Gotta get down for our third game.
Mas Alvin. Bebas ka lang. Alvin.
Okay, and a double between number 27, Lucien number 26, the Royal first possession. Royalty getting team plus first six down number 28, Allen. And that is Rainbow basketball. Heavy inbound play, Mr. Salvador. Pass to beat it back to number 17. And a shot clock is down 14. Pull up. Shot by Lisa, rebound, Delayon. And they get the rebound now for the team. Look at the ball. Here it comes down on Bangin. Number 2, deep out, Bangin for the 2. And a two-strong rebound. Delayon out that bounce, number 1. Because ball force on. And it back now for the team plus 13. Here he comes now for Pineda. Deep out for Steve. Beyond the arm. And a big rebound again. Final rebound for Mr. Delayon. Pass to Mr. Salvador. Kick out because bar from the 19-foot line. In and out. Rebound again for the team Packers. And a shot left down to 10. Wait for the buzzer. 6 seconds. Down the floor. Salvador pull up. Shot from reset. And the basket is good. And the first point secured by the Tito Saadi class for 6. 2-0. And now for number 2. Bang, give it to Mr. Pineda. Shot clock 12 seconds. Pineda now 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. And that was a turnover for the team plus 13. And now for Mr. Salvador, number 17. Bring down the ladder. Inside pass to BJ. Kick out, bring us back. Pull big. Pull second shot leg. Back to Salvador. Running shot. Yes, for 2. And a back-to-back 2-point shot for number 17. And now for the cluster 2. Canada. Pass to Pineda. Beyond the arc. Negative down. He's still there. That is a no down zone out of that. And a foul committed on jersey number 1. Back spot. That is a pushing foul. Number 1, first personal foul now. In that play on Mr. Pangad. And give it to number 7 of the shot clock 12. 10 seconds. Wait for the buffer. That's 7 seconds. Down. Shot clock reset. Rebound. Pin it down. The down. 6 seconds. Let me know. And releases the ball. Out the pass down for the team. Pass for 2. Salvador. Bust. Official score is a 6-0 line. 6-point lead for the team. Pointers. Okay, back to the ball game. And here it goes now for Pangad. Pass over for Dean. Like up the 10-pointer. Negative rebound. Now deepening out the team. Cluster 6. Give it to number 26. And that was a fair number for the team. Cluster 6. Okay, now for the people adding team. Cluster 2 now on time number 3. Give it to the 10-pointer number 13. Beat down. Pull up off of the back. Air goal. And a big rebound for Delayon. Decided out now. And it's out position. Number 13 out. 13 out. The jet fighter like up one. The best coming up. And now for our team. Cluster 2, penalty on the arm. He's so good. And that was a holding foul. Thank you for raising hand at number 28 holder. First personal foul, you number 28, team foul number 2. Seconds on back, 7:05 heat clock. And now we're back again. Number 10, Tom Black is down to 10. Keep out the gas back to the road. No defense. 6-2. And here it comes down for the team fighters. Down Mr. Salvador. Pass to BJ. Bounce pass. Delegate Belgrand. Back to BJ. Loses the ball. Steal. And now for our team cluster 2. Aldo pass down on Pineda. Number 7 the ball. Back to Taggart. 6 minutes and 28 on the game clock. Complex down the road. Recovering on the spot. Back to back. 2 points down for number 29. So get a first down. 6-4. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Complex. Salvador. He's so good. And it's a foul committed on number 10. Timeout requested for the team. Riders, number 10, first personal foul on you, Mr. Timeout. Seven on the team clock, 6-4. And it has to the ball game. Yan, meron po tayong last game ha. Yung 14 under natin, meron po tayong last game. And now, for number 15, shot back hold. Wait for the number 10 seconds on back. 7-11 pound. Now for the cluster 2, give it to number 7. Here comes the Mr. Canada. Canada on the number 3. James Kilgore, 7-6. 5 minutes and 41 down, number 17. Give it to number 15, pull up three, hit it. Right out, back down. Yes, push it. Over the yard. 8-7. And now number 2, down and pass to Pagan. Shot right down the 12. That is the ball out of bounds for number 4 to beat Western 2. 5 minutes and 18. Eight, 7, 1 lead. Deep on the ending finals. Number 1. And rebound. Well, the Celtics does the adding Leicester 2. 10-7, 3-point lead for the team. And now for number 10. Baggett looking for Stupid. And the Baggett shots back down to 10. Wait for the buzzer. Steal. Now against back, takes it up, and down, now for number 0. Here he comes down on team helping it up. 6 having on the middle, beat down, number 5, yes! 14 back to back, beat down shot on number 29. And again, now, doesn't be sure against back, they in the day. Straight 6 points, 4 minutes and 21. Now for number 1, against back to beat down, steal, break goes down. On to the front. Roll 9. And it's a 3-point lead. Then again, the beat on the final. Salon Wagon. High the wood. Cricket. Rebound for the team. We so good. And wait a minute. Wait a minute. And a technical foul on number 20, Mr. Pang and Port Glopping. 2. And number 22 and number 20 out. Here's on you, Mr. Pagan. And a technical draw was basket. 13-9. Now with inside bounce. Wiggle it up back. Now on the draw, back tackle, short down, down to 12. Douglas back, keep down, put it on. Basket 15-9. Angat na sa ating yung panabagan. Dito na galing cluster 6 now on Dragon. An inside pass. Number 5, back to number 10. And a shot back down to 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Douglas back, shot back 6. Round to 3, steal. And a back dito sa ating team. Drivers number 1. Douglas back, deep down. Follow, let's go through. And together we count out again for the team cluster 2. Yan ang pagdating ng second quarter. Wala na tayong timeout siya now. Team cluster 2. Okay, wala na kayong timeout. Team cluster 2 sa pagkarating ng second quarter. 17-9, 8-1 lead for the team Tigers. And back to the ball game. Minutes and 12, 17-9. And an ad for number 5. Here comes Aranya in control. Aranya now looking for the receiver, giving it to Pat Bagan. Bagan back to number 14, but keep the line, the ball out of bounds. Okay, now for our cluster 6. Here it comes now on Mr. Salvador. And that pass and a steal. Now for Aranya. 2-1-2 break. Aranya 6-sack. That was the ball out of bounds. Nice defense from Dito sa ating team Tigers. 2 minutes and 41 seconds game clock. And it now for number 1. Bagas back in control. Pass. Steal. Now for number 14, give it to number 5, Bagan. 2 minutes and 26. Pass to number 5, Bagan. 3. 17 points, 2 minutes and 17. And here we go. Steal. Number 3, yes, 17-14. And now number 1 gets back. Give it to number 26 and a whistle blue. Thank you for raising your hand. And a foul committed on first number 29. Based on the back. First on the 18 call number 3. That was an act of 2 shots to number 26. First is good. 18-14 last draw. 1 minute and 3 on the game clock. Okay, now split heavily on defense of Leon. Here it goes down to number 10. And a Bagan now in control. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Bagan. Nabitawan ni Aranya. Balik sa black piece number 1. Take a back. Almost useless. Keep out. 7-15 good line. Again. Again, rebound. Take a back. Blocks it up. Go rejected. And now balik dito sa Aranya. Nabisyo blue. Thank you for raising your hands. Foul committed on number 17 of Mr. Salvador. First personal foul. Team number 3. 1 minute and 20. And now for Bagan. In control, shot clock 14. Tag down! That was a turnover. Hindi mo maintindihan dito yung ating big loser too. Again now for the Collector 6. De Leon, kick out B2, puts it on. 20 pounds. Less than 55 seconds. 20-14. Now on Baga. Pass to Gabino. Kick out Baga's back. Puts it on. Pass to the quick. Foul on Jordan. With that up. 15. Number 15, that is your first foul. Nagkaga 8 points na yan. Pag pumasok ng Som. Nagay. And a rebound. Last 45 seconds. Now Bagas back. Force out. Rebound for Bagas. And a now for number 10. Bring down the middle. Pass to number 5. And the beat is on the ball. 20-19. And now for number 1, Bagas back. Last 18 seconds, game left, shot clock 14. 7 now, play, big down, shot clock 10, wait, down the basket. With the pull up, one up, rebound, De Leon, good back, pass for you. Shot clock is still at 5 seconds. And on first quarter of defense scoring. 1-2, 2-19, 3-point lead. Ball attacking Cluster 6. Okay, entering the second quarter. Ready. Okay, now for jersey number 2. Here comes now on Panic in the ball. And they give it to jersey number 5, Aranya. Back to number 2. Panic is started. Keep out passing it by the steal. And now for number 13. Bagas back to the play. And a whistle goal. And a foul committed on Mr. number 1. Mr. Pineda that was a illegal use of hands. Personally. Johnson on number 13. And a great throw is good. Last throw ready for the jumper. Complete 2. And now for the class 13. Panic, heavy to get 2. Number 51 inside and a steal. And now Balik, Cluster 2 down on it. Here comes the kid lightning. 9 minutes and 20. Panic pressure to move, hits it up. Now one for the team goes out and fighters down number 26. De Leon cheap out. What is it going to go back to number 5 and out off the bottom. Number 5, that is your first personal foul. And on you out. First throw, that's it. Twenty-five 19. Complete. 26-19. And now for number 2. Here goes now Pan and looking for the open man. And he gives it to jersey number 10. Shot by Carrollton. Down for 10. Back to the 2. Pull in. Shot clock reset. They're out of bounds in black basketball. 26-19. And now back to the team, last 6. Here comes song number 11. David number 13, Bagas back, takes the 3. Negative rebound for number 10. Here he goes down, packing, launches number 3. And Rebound for the team, plus for 6. 8 minutes and 22 on the game clock. Now for Megastack. Magaping lock. Pass to number 12. Ball is instead. Good. Now for the team plus for 6. Beginning Bauman. Number 2 now in control. And they're looking for Simon with number 51. Yes, that's good. 26-21. And now for Megastack. Number 13. 7 minutes and 40 misses. Bounce pass to Devion. He is gone there. He's so broke. Nagkatama yung foul nila. Nakababa yung depensa. Foul number 16. Blocking foul number 16. First on the 18. Foul number 3. And a shot by Grisette. Backers back page. Another 50 pounds. Magapin lost. Pull up. Good. Well, the defense ball and they're adding plus or 2. And now, balik dito sa ating team roster here. Now on Tannen. 7 minutes and 35 game clock. Tannen giving it number 1 Pineda. Back to Tannen. Shot flag. Down to 12. Shot left 10 seconds. Wait for the ball. Good. Down to 5. Into. Shot clock reset. And at 26-21, lima pa. Yung talagang ang hawak dito ng ating team fighters down number 13. Magas back now, 40 on the shot clock, kick out. Back to number 13. Ball convert. And that was the ball out of bounds. Sino ba nito ba? Santos, 16, Santos now. 7 minutes executive bonus sa ating first half. For the second quarter now for our team plus 2. And side pass back and meet the ball back up against the pass. Basket for 2 on number 20. Napaganda pa yung equal, 26-23. And now for Mr. number 26, Delagon in control. Give it to number 11, Magaping lock, pass to the goal, pull up. And now rebound, Megas back from the 15-foot line. Rebound for Mr. Pineda. And again, number 2, now Bannon takes the lead, bounce pass, back and now, on the drive, big, keep out, pass back to number 20, and a bounce pass number 2, back to number 20, and now for number 12, Delagon, on silver. That is a big goal, and that was a big goal foul committed to number 1, blocking foul, Mr. Pineda, second personal foul on you. And then number 51, Mr. Gipu. Ready? And now for number 13. Delagon, shot clock 10, waiting for the buzzer. D1, rebound for number 10, Mr. Gipu. Again, a foul committed on number 18. Stop. Sino po? Sino? 13. 13-11 out. Sub. Wala. Sige. Left for 6, number 1. Deep out, get the puzzle. Check out the big opening. Deep in the Myers, deep out. Ultimate goal attempted. And a rebound. Now for the Green 2. Balik dito sa ground. Batas pa. Lisa goal. At katabigay yung defense natin si Danan. Foul number 2. Hindi po nag-establish. Number 2, first personal foul on you. Penalty. Penalty. And a 2 shots awarded for number 1. 26-23. That's it. Bagang, Mr. Bagang, labas ka muna. A 28 to 23 5-point lead. Kailangan nandito ng cluster 2. And now for Mr. Pineda. Inside pass. Takes the whistle move. Okay, and a better time being again. And a foul committed on number 12. Number 12. That is your first personal foul. Team foul number 2. Team foul number 2 pala. Pineda at 12. Pineda at number 12. The best muna para sa player. Okay. Pagkat ng team game, ready. For three, yes! About pasang pala sa wala na back at the 2 points. 28-25, 3-point lead for the cluster 6. And here we go, down for Mr. Sabado. Sabado now, give it to number 1. Back to number 17, shot let down to 10, waiting for the buzzer. Sabado down to 7, number 1. Shot let reserve. And a whistle day. And naman tayo ang tulak. Foul committed to number 20, number 20, second personal foul. Penalty. Okay, the 2 shots awarded to number 26. And the first foul was second. Last one ready for the jumper. Swift. 29-25. And now for our cluster. Here comes Mr. Tanner. Tanner now takes the screen. Baseline drive. Good. That was the first shot. Now we go for number 18, Diva. And a pass down for number 15. Here it comes down on Sabado. In control. 14-second shot back. Give it to number 1. Down to 12. Keep out 10 seconds. Wait from the buzzer. Salvador. Good steal. Now on Bannon. That's good as good. 29-27 2-point lead na lang kalabangan dito ng ating cluster 6. And now for number 17. Salvador, inside pass to number 1. The ball fake back back, looking for Smith. This is Logan, shot back 10, wait from the buzzer. Down to 7. And there's the first shot, some. Number 2. And second coming up, and then replacing number 5, Belandia. A 3-42 Dingo. 29-27 chance na dito. Ito lang ang nilaban ng Netball. Let's be for shot, rebound. Now for number 26, Gerard. And give it to number 1 with the shot. That's good. 31-27. And now for the cluster 2. And on now, number 5 in control. Bounce pass, back it. 6 seconds, he's so good. And a thank you for raising your hand. Pass committed to number 13. Number 15. Diwa, Mr. Diwa, labas ka ba na? Diwa number 3 para sa ating Piners. Second on you, Mr. Peter. Now, around the ball big. And on now, Didi na sa labas. Shot by Rizal. The Jet Fighter Lockout scores at 31-29. And now for number 17. Here it comes down for number 17, Sabado. Give it to Pete, pull up on the 15-foot line. Again, rebound on the center backboard. To get the belly on. And he comes the basket. That's the Samba foul. Basket is good. Foul to win at the number 13. That is the Eagles under number 13. First personal foul on you. Mr. Lockout. 33-29. Bonus on Mr. De Leon. Ready for the jumper. Come good. 34-29. And now for our team. Number 5, 14-second shot left. Now for the steal na naman dito. Ng ating team. Tigers. Now on De Leon. 36-29. And now for Mr. Pineda. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Bounce pass. Take the speed. And they get the rebound for Vidu. And he gives it to Salvador. 2 minutes exactly. 1 minute and 55 now. Number 17. 40 mission. Back to number 26. De Leon. And the negative rebound. Now for the team plus 2. Pineda. Number 7 in control. Nisoto. Moving forward defense. Okay. Foul committed at number 17. So. 20. And then is our timeout for the team plus 36. Okay. Number 17. Dalawa Mr. Fernando. Sabado. Warning for penalty. Okay, back to the goal game. Sorry po.
Yung last game, ganyan eh.
Okay.
Painawa na ako.
Warning for penalty.
Last game kayo. Gagawa ka.
Now, once again, Muslim. Malakas. Shot number 7, rebound number 20. And then give it number 17 now on Salvador. 1 minute and 30 seconds on the second quarter. Now for Mr. Louis. Pass to number 15. Hit it back to Mr. Louis. That is a ball with steal. Now for number 7, Pineda. Dustin. 36-21. Balik sa ibang puntos, kailangan dito ng ating team plus 6. And now, Megas back on the baseline, puts it off, miss, rebound for Baga, steal. And then number 15, shot that 12, pull up on Salvador, so good. Moving forward defense, yung ginawa kaya nadawagan. Foul number 13, Sir pangalawa, Mr. Jack Bider, penalty na Baga. And the 2 shots awarded for number 17. Persistent. 37-31. Last 57 seconds game clock. Switch Hannity up here, rebound for the six. And they give it to Dave number 10. Now on Baga. Baga now in control. And a pass to Ben number 3. Drive. Scheme down. Muslim. Yes, Quentin. And last 35 seconds game clock down for Salvador. Number 17 launches on the train, David. And a rebound for the spot, bounce pass. Ball out of bounds. That's 26 seconds. And now for Mr. Pagag. 37-43. Bounce pass, puts it off, and a big rebound. Shot that is dead, waiting for the basket, that's 15 seconds. Now on Salvador, beat out, Megas foul, yes, Woodley. Last 5 seconds, Messi. Negative rebound number 15. And the Bogger first up official scores 39-33. 6-point lead for the team fighters. Halftime break. Ayan yung mga baby natin, pasukin na lang po ng ating mga babies. Bola, bola. Pahiram pong bola. Pahiram pong bola. Ito pala. At siya pala kami sa dito. Kaya mo rin ba? Yan na para quality. Okay. Black okay, change score down for number 17, Salvador in control. 7 and out. Give it to number 18, D1. Back to number 17. Shot clock 14. And a whistle for that is a first number for our team. Cluster 6 minutes at third quarter now for the team. Cluster 2. Here comes Sagan. Pineda. Wide open. Negative rebound. And the Panama to one number 5. Back pedal. Shot clock is down to 10. Back for the number 8 seconds. And a shot clock reset. Rebound for number 17. Here it comes now for Mr. Lloyd. Signaling to boy, setting off 14-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Now for number 1. Wait for the basket, 5 seconds. Steal. Now on the team plus for 2. Now on the hand. 6 seconds, puts it off, back off. And the rebound for number 28. Okay, and that was a tumble out of possession. Mananatili sa ating team. Magkapag-off. 14-second shot back for the team. Cluster 2. Ready? Inbound play number 5. And now Mr. Fernandez back to number 5. Lopez. And a negative 15 pass dito ni number 5. Balik dito sa ating team. Cluster 6 out there. Sakto yung pass. On the way on. 41 to 33. And now for number 7, Mr. Baga. Now setting off 8 minutes and 25 on the third quarter. Shot by 12 seconds. Bagging now. And miscommunication up. Mr. Pineda. Papahinga muna. Mr. Pineda. Brings it number 26. Okay, 8 minutes and 20 para sa ating third quarter. Ready players. Again now for the deep cluster 6. Here it comes now on Mr. Sabado. That's it to the back. B on the arc. Garza. 3. 44-33. And now for the cluster team. High now. Takes the lead down the back forward. Yes. The basketball team. And a 44-35 now for the number 17. Now for number 17, Sabado back to Lucas back. Big pass. Foul pull up. Yes, that's the last game. And a 46. That is a moving forward defense. That is a foul committed on jersey number 28. Number 28, second on your shot. Danan out. Sino ito dito? Foul out. Danan and foul out. And a 46-37 bonus. Okay, and a rebound for Mr. Diva. And Diva, dito for number 1. Here comes Sam, back. Keep control. 46-37. Beginning dito kay number 18. And again, number 17, Sabado. Shot by 12 seconds. Steal. Now on Eranya. Oh, got it going. And another. The team cluster 6. Turnover. On the cluster 6.
Galing.
Okay po, reserve tayo coach. Yan ang maraming pasa dito sa ating cluster 6 na napupunta sa turnover now for number 10. Tagging now in control, 7 minutes exactly. Tagging pa rin. TV stop the break. Pull the break. Back off. Big rebound. Time out. For the team cluster 6. 6 and 52 game clock. Official score for 46-37. Six left to 6, 46-37. Okay, back to the ball game. Sige so, tabing Tito Clown mamaya. May darating tayong clown mamaya. Hintayin niyo. Hindi yan. Dali ko muna. Hintayin niyo si Tito Clown mamaya. Darating siya. Okay, ready? Okay, now Hornbeck is back. 6:50 game clock. Number 1 in control. Takes the swing. Keep out Tito Salvador. Number 17 pass pass. De La York. Left punches. 38-37. And now for Bagan. Give it to number 5 Aranya. Now, Mike Bagan ng ball. Looking for Stevie. Now for number 5. 10 seconds off back. Wait for the pass. Down to 7. 5 seconds. Down to 2. 48-14. Walong palamangan pang hawak dito ng ating Cluster 6. And now for Mr. Salvador. 41 to trumpet. Salvador bigay game back. Fires out. He's in for number 29. Here comes the Almas back. Give it to number 10, Bagang. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Bagang, Aranya. Number 5, Pay. Extra pass. Kapila bigay ng power. Wala na lang down. But the spot is protected. And now for Netting Cluster 6, 5 minutes and 34. Here comes the out for Mr. Salvador Hornbeck down to 10, wait for the buzzer. Down to 8, pull it, yes! Get 30 on video. 50-14. 5 minutes and 15 on the game clock now for number 5. And here it comes now on the Aranya. Pass to number 10. Big, puts it on. Moving forward defense. That is a good ball. Oh my foul there. That is a foul committed to number 1. Pushing foul number 1. Second on you. Sub. Gabino. Mr. Gabino, playing up over there. And that is a deep ball number 1 for the Cluster 6. Shots on number 10, Bagan. Here's his miss. That's throw ready for the jumper. And the last one is split category. 41-15. Exactly 5 minutes to play. And now from Mr. Louis Soto on control. 14 second shot clock. Now Salvador. Maigpit ng depensa pinagparanas ni Aranya. Gigaw pa the spot. Airborne leading for number 10. Here comes now on Bagang. Out that pass. Number 5. Aranya fake. Extra pass to back and launches. And the man at Paparang Ganda. Gopi ng Pampanga. Scoring sa 50-44. Nabasa 6 pinamangan dito ng Cluster 6. And now Hornbeck is back. Give it to Salvador. And it has to be big shot clock. Down to 10. Wait for the buzzer. 7 seconds. Steal. Now on. Big. Push it off. Yeah, push it. Baba na lang sa 4. 50-46. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Now on Salvador. Pass to number 5. Bounce pass. Now on De Leon. Back to number 1. One to number 3. Pass block. Double base for the penalty of the shot. 53-46. And now for number 2. He then is down the court and a foul committed on jersey number 17 of Mr. Salvador. Third game, Mr. Salvador, pangatlo na. Team foul number 2 pala. Hanging out for that. Number 2. And it's to the kid. 23-48. Vegas back to beating. 3 minutes and 8. Bounce pass. Zero now. 6-10 Lisa Low. And that's just a traveling violation. Sino sa musik? Bagang lalabas pare. Okay. 3:03. Game clock down 10. 53-48. Here he comes now on Aranya. Now on the mid lane, deep out. Put it off. Behind the Lupita, but it goes to left. So good. And down on number 5, Aranya holding down number 5. Second personal foul in the team by number 1. One out on number 5. One and number 5 out. And now, for number 13, Vegas back. 2 minutes and 45 seconds on the game clock. Shot clock is good. Fires the backboard. 56-48. Mostly powers. 3 down for Brian. And ang mabibitaw balik dito sa class for 6 minutes. And ang binigay ni jersey number 26 sa Ronaldo. 2 minutes and 21 on the game clock. Pass to number 12, number 13. Shot clock called. And it down the damn way for the buzzer. And that was a ball out of bounds. And now for our team, class 13, Vanna. Pass to Dragon number 10. Heading into Vanna, number 20 now, takes the spin. Malakas, put back on out, rebound for number 15. Back to Vegas now, number 13. Baseline, we serve her. In the foul on number 10, back up. That's on the foul number 10, second personal foul. Okay na? Pamili lang ba? Gawang bakal eh. Relax na, gawang bakal eh. Relax na tayo. Okay, 2 shots sa number 13. Ay, sige ang sagot po. Where is it? Castro pagawa sa may isang Tyrant. Okay, Magit. Reserve lang yung ating shot now. 57-48. 1 minute and 47 seconds. And now for number 2. Down at 43. Good. And now for number 15. Give it to number 13. Look at that. 1 minute and 31 seconds on the game clock. Inside pass, Ocampo, De Leon. 59-48. 1 minute and 15 seconds game clock. Now for Pagan. Pagan, number 2, team control. And it is number 10. Now push it off. On number 10, Pagan. 59-50. Here comes number 20 last. 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. Down to 12. Wait for the last 10 seconds shot clock. First back now, rebound. De Leon. Rebound. The next one, giving it on 10. Last 37 seconds. Now Baggett in control. Extra time. Okay, pare. Okay, shot the distance. Last 21 seconds. Game clock. Last of it last 15 seconds. Now for Vegas back. Wait for the buzzer. Last 10 seconds. For David. Basket number 13. Last 3. And of our third quarter scores of 62-52. 61-52. 61-52. Okay, this is the last and final 10-minute section. Okay, para sa ating 14 timeouts, Team Cluster 6, Coach Cluster 6. Okay, for the Magapagal, Coach, Kevin Dunoy. Tatlo time out mo. Ha? Tatlo. Okay? Riders, they got a time jumble. Okay, this is the last final 10-minute section. And now, more Magaspak. Pass number 11, Magaspak, back to Sabado. Extra pass down, decal, pull up, foul in, lucky bounce. 63-52. And then now, Borg Alonda. Give it to Mr. Tana, number 3. Inside pass, now Baggett. Kailangan ng tumabaho. Pull up. Negative rebound. Give it to Fernando. Launches on the three. Inahalat na rebound. Para ang Borg Alonda. And now, for our team, Cluster 6. Sinayang. Science. Okay, now for the team Cluster 2. And on you now, moving to number 10, Baggett. Baggett, and it's 63-55. Now for number 1. Here it goes. Single. Shot clock down to 11 seconds. Cluster 6 will put the ball there. 11 seconds shot clock. Now for Sabado, 10 seconds. 8. He's like goal. Okay. Contact foul number 3 holding foul. Mr. Tannen. Number 3 first on you. 3 out. Mr. Tannen. And now 47 shot left. Inside pass, Valdez. First shot, rebound for number 10. Baba ulit sa walo. Hinahabol dito ng ating Cluster 2. Now on number 5. Inside pass! Bye-bye! On the center man. 63-57. And now for Mr. number 17. Sabado pointing to shoot. Wait for the buzzer, 10 seconds shot clock. Down to 7. 5 seconds. Down to 2. Penetrate for steal. And now for number 5. Here comes Serrania. Behind the back pass. Behind the Sapanto. And a rebound. Now for number 26. Dalayon. Pass to Sabado. Back to number 26. Dalayon. Pumababa. Boston Bruins. 57, 7 minutes and 25. And now more, he's so good. Okay, plays it down the floor. Again, Cal committed at number 1. 11 out. 11 out. Number 1, tatlo ka na, Mr. Magaspak, ha? Sir, tatlo ka na, number 1. 14, 13, number 1. Okay, Ivan Pineda, give it to number 5. And now for Baggett. Fires from him. That's a 3-point shot. The ball sitting on 65-16. And And here it comes for number 17. And they give it to number 1. Back down in the ball. Shot back down. He said, "Goal, traveling violation." Kabilang ko sa patas. Seven on 3 game clock, 65-60. Okay, now for number 5. Here it comes down on back same spot. After that, chance to tie or lead the game. And now for Chelsea number 17-7. 6:15 on the game clock, 40 to shoot. He did. Shot that down to 10. Third, pull up. Yes, Chelsea. And foul. 67-63. 6 minutes and 30. And now for Eranya. Number 5. Pin on number 3. Pin on Posting off the field. 67-65. And a 2-point lead for the team Bombers. 5 minutes and 44. Now for Sabado. Number 7, important to shoot. Now for number 26. Second score. Here it comes now on Eranya. Number 5 now in control. Senaman Dalton to run. Rebound. Now for number 28 Power. Pass to the back. Tatlo na sa isa. Bagas pa. Gets it up. Penalty Buster 2. 70-65.
Pinabidyoan.
Okay, both teams meron tayong tig-dalawang timeout, okay? Both teams meron tayong tig-dalawang timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. Baguling ko, ingko. Ay, ka ba na? Yaman kong bola eh. Okay, 5-4 game clock ready. And here it comes now for the cluster 2. Pito na naman yung abanting hahapulin dito ng ating team cluster 2. And now for Baga. Number 10 in control. Baga now. Sit back and play. For the play. Yes, okay. 62 shot. On the Mr. Baga. 72-67, 4 minutes and 38 game clock. And now for Bagas back. Keep out the beating. Shot clock 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Sabi na lang yung ball. And 67. And now for group number 5. Shot clock down to 10, behind the plate. Pull up in the 19-foot line. Yes, Brooklyn. 7 75-69. Terminates 7:52 seconds game clock. Now for the wrestler, 60. 7 and out. Shot clock down to 10. Wait for the buzzer. He did it. Pin back. Back to the score, number 17. 77-69. Heading down for number 5, Alanya. In control, 14 seconds on clock. And give it to him. He's so good. And a foul committed to number 15, BJ. Number 15, the third personal foul on BJ. That is a foul. Volume foul. Okay, 3 and 22. Ready. And now we're number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Back and forth. And they're moving down. Under the circle of that. 3-12 game clock. 3-12. Against up. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now for the team. Cluster 60. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Beat again. Shot number 14. Down to 10. Wait for the buzzer. Foul. Now we got 7 to go. Out of bounds. Tumama sa 2. Baga. Sub. Number 7 out. Pega. $77-69. And now for number 2, 2 minutes and 48. Now on the jet fighter. Give it to number 20. Bang. Kick out. Shot for 14. And now a rebound. Bang. Okay. That is a good call. And a foul committed. And a Mr. Jersey number 28. Number 28. Third personal foul. Tatlo na yan. Team foul number 3. Team foul number 3. First basket on number 20. 77-70. Kang pumasok kay Satpo. And a split. Rebound for number 26. And down for number 17. Salvador. Pass to number 26. And bigay kay number 17. Kick out dito. Mag-score! Number 5, 10 on you now. He stopped it. Kick out pass. Done and played. He's so good. And it's down the floor and a foul committed on jersey number 1. Sub. Number 13, beating. Number 1, apat na yan ha. Apat ka na, Mr. Magaspak. Warning on you. Warning for penalty. And now for number 5. Inside pass, bang and spin. Mangyari tira. Passengers and Falcon entering the 20th zone. Last 2 minutes. Now for number 1. Pasok na tayo sa 20 minutes of violation. Magaspak, shot locked in. Wait for the buzzer, 8 seconds. D-Rob, meron pa kayong isang timeout ha? Saan tayo? Sige. Meron pa kayo isang timeout ha? Okay. Shot clock 14 seconds for the cluster 2. Okay, now for Aranya. Number 5, game to number 2. Now back at kailangan ng trabaho. Negative rebound for number 26. 1 minute and 30 seconds. And now for number 1. Here comes now for Megaspac. Inside pass, Fallon, Weasel Pool. Take it with your hands and number 10, Bagang. Third personal foul, team ball number 2 pa lang dito ng ating cluster 2. Shot clock 40 seconds, cluster 6. And Megaspac. Palayon. Shot clock 10. Good rebound. Number 5, tatakot dito cluster 2. Eranya now. Push it off. Miss. Rebound. Now Palayon. 1 minute and 30. Here goes now for number 20. 6 to number 17. Weasel Blue. Okay. Number 20 timeout. Timeout for the cluster 6 number 20. Tatlo na Mr. Timeout. Third personal foul. Team foul number 3. Pasok tayo sa throwing pass and throwing violation. Lagi na from Megaspac. Weasel Hill. Walking foul committed to number 5. Number 5. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. And now Mr. Salvador. And a shot clock 10 seconds. Inside pass. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot for the team. Fighters, 8 seconds shot clock. Now for wait for the buzzer, that's 5 seconds. That's 2. And now number 5. Eranya to leg of number 13. And again, rebound for number the flag. And that's going to be the take a and I'm 14. Thank you very much. Cluster 6.